Put your car in park. Put your car in park. If I send me code 3 Phil, so you just found my car. Stop! Stop!
On April 30th, 2025, Manteca Police officers responded to a disturbance at the In-N-Out Burger on Yosemite Avenue. A white van had reportedly rammed another vehicle in the drive-thru, and officers were called to the scene.
Hello, this is Nick calling from the In-N-Out Burger in Manteca, California, right off of Yosemite, I want to say. We have a customer who is being kind of hostile. He's in between both of our drive-thru windows. We had a customer at the drive-thru window, and then he was slamming his car directly behind their car, hitting them in the bumper. But he kept hitting the gas, and he was very intentional with it.
Okay, so he struck their car with his car?
Yeah, he's in a white van. I'll see if I can get the license plate number for you. I don't see a license plate on the front. Looking in the back, the gentleman's wearing a 49ers jersey. License plate number. Are you ready for it?
Go ahead.
He's driving a Chrysler Town & Country, a white van. It's looking like it's got a lot of stuff, including a fishing pole, seat covers with the American flag logo on it.
Okay, is he white?
Glasses.
Gotcha.
Yes.
This is the moment things turn from tense to truly dangerous. The officer has barely arrived before he's rammed by the van suddenly. The threat is no longer just a call on the radio. It's right in front of them.
He just hit the police officer. He hit his car directly.
Stay on the phone, sir.
Chief, shots fired. Shots fired.
10-4, shots fired. 944, shots fired.
Sir, put your car in park. Put your car in park. If I send me code 3 Phil, so you just found my car. Stop! Stop! P5, shots fired. Shots fired.
Shots ring out almost immediately after the officer's car is struck. You can hear the urgency and fear in the officers' voices as they try to regain control. It's a split-second decision, one no officer wants to make.
Turn off the car! Slowly exit out of the vehicle! Turn off your car! Slowly exit out of the vehicle, sir! I don't want to hurt you! I don't want to hurt you! I don't want to hurt you! I don't want to hurt you, okay? Look, I want this to end peacefully. I don't want to hurt you. I want to provide you medical aid. Slowly exit out of the vehicle. King 5, we're going to need to lock down this whole parking lot. A-firm. Right now he's smoking a cigarette, not compliant. Sir! No, I don't want to hurt you, okay? Slowly exit out of the vehicle. He's smoking a cigarette in his right hand. I can't see his left hand. Hey, let's back up, Azzy. Let's back up. Still can't see his correction, his right hand. He has a cigarette in his left hand. Yeah. King 5, if we can also get notice to Starbucks as well.
George 2 on scene. 10-4.
Yeah, Burr's got it already. little bit. Will, you want me to engage with him?
Yeah, go ahead.
Come on, partner. Hey, let's just work together so we can get you out of here safely, man. What's the problem? Okay, then let's get you out of here since you didn't do nothing. You gonna work with us? We're not gonna come to you. We'd rather you come to us so no one gets hurt, man. So that it's the safest way possible, brother. Come on. What's your name? We're past that already. We're past that. Are you able to walk out of your car? Okay, hey, tell you what. Can you at least work with me on one favor for right now? Can you show us your right hand, make sure it's empty? Okay, just show us your right hand so we can make sure it's empty. Yeah, slowly move it up for us. Put your right hand up. Come on, partner. Your other hand. All right. Just keep it on out the window for us, yeah? There you go, there you go. Just keep it on out. Hey. Okay, we'll get you that burger after. Come on, why don't you step on out the car for us? Would you like to? Are you ready to move forward with this process? We want to get you out of your car. Are you going to work with us? Unfortunately, you are. We would rather do it. We would rather do it in a manner that's safe for you and us, brother. We're not sending no one to you. Unfortunately, the other options we have really aren't the best. Let's get you out then. I know, man. We're past that at this point, though, sir. We're just trying to work with you so we can get you out of there safely. Nobody needs to get hurt, okay? We're not coming to you, man. You just want to talk to me? All right. Sounds like we have a little bit of mutual respect then, right? It sounds like we have a little bit of mutual respect then, right?
What stands out here is how hard the officers work to de-escalate, even after shots have been fired. You hear them offering help, trying to connect, and repeating that they don't want anyone to get hurt. The tension is thick, and you can sense the desperation for a peaceful outcome. After nearly 15 minutes of negotiation, everything changes in a split second. The suspect decides to ram another patrol car now. Every officer on scene is forced to react.
We need to pin that vehicle in. Hey, we need to pin the vehicle in. Watch out. He's mobile. He's mobile. You need to pin him in. We're get one of these vehicles over there.
Okay, I'm gonna pin him in if he comes.
Yeah. Hold on. Crossfire!
Is it in and out? Yeah, it's completely clear. It's not good.
The moment the threat ends, officers immediately switch gears. They rush to provide medical aid, doing everything they can to save the suspect's life. It's a sobering reminder of how quickly these situations can spiral and how, in the end, everyone wants to walk away alive.
Gloves, let's get a med kit going. Hold on, get that shield, get that shield!
I got the door. I got the door. Yeah.
I got door.
Turn it back.
It's locked.
It's locked. Yeah, it's completely